is a demonstration of Snoo Shade for Infant Car Seats Light. I'm going to show you how to put it on a normal infant car seat. So it comes in its own little mesh bag, and we take it out of the mesh bag. Now the first thing you're going to want to do if you've got a Maxi Cosi style is to retract this hood. So we're going to pull that back. If you have a normal kind of a hood that comes up here, again, just push it back. And we've got some help from a little teddy bear today to help us. As they always say, don't work with children and animals, so I'm working with a baby animal. Right, so here we go. We're going to take these straps and we're going to attach them to the carry handle. The carry handle must be upright for the product to work. So just literally use the Velcro straps there. Now what you can do when you've got a Maxi Cosi style, they have a little ridge here which you can then push down here and here. And then you simply pull the back of the shade over the back of the car seat. And then pull over the front of the car seat, like so. So I'm just going to turn it just so you can see what it looks like. So it looks like this all the way around. And you can check in on baby using the Sneaker Peek zip. Make sure we're all okay in there. Have a little nap. And all over this cover protects from 99% of UV, which is rated as UPF 50+. But when that time is over, you can still use Snoo Shade to give some extra protection. And so all you do is pull up the base of the shade around the top of the handle. And what you'll see here is then you get some lovely shade across the front so that Teddy or baby doesn't get the sun in their eyes. And that is how to use Snoo Shade for Infant Car Seats Light.